The angels whisper to your heart today, bringing forth a deep truth, a revelation that can completely change your view of someone special in your life. This love, until now kept silent, is about to emerge, and you, dear soul, will be the key to uncovering all that lies behind this connection. For a long time, this person who harbors deep affection for you has remained in the shadows, surrounded by uncertainties and fears. Such intense love, yet hidden, waiting for the right moment to be revealed. The angels show that this person is facing an internal battle between the fear of exposing their feelings and the irresistible desire to finally open their heart. Every gesture of yours, every unspoken word, has touched this person in a way that they themselves cannot fully understand. The truth, dear soul, is that you have stirred something grand within this person. Something they have struggled to hide, perhaps even from themselves. The angels say that the strength of this love is so powerful that it can no longer be ignored. What seemed to be a common connection now reveals itself as something much deeper, a spiritual bond that transcends time and space. This love was meant to happen, and every event, every encounter between you two, is part of a larger divine plan. The angels want you to know that everything you have felt so far, the doubts, the hopes, have not been in vain. This person is undergoing a deep internal transformation, and you are the catalyst of this process. Even though there have been silences, distances, or moments of uncertainty, nothing has been by chance. Everything is moving towards this moment of revelation, where what has been kept hidden will finally be brought to light. Before continuing, allow yourself to take a deep breath and feel the weight of these words. The universe is preparing the ground for this truth to be revealed to you. The question is, are you ready to receive? As you walk this spiritual path, the angels wish for you to keep your heart open, as the revelation that is about to come may bring forth deep and perhaps unexpected emotions. This person, who has tried for so long to suppress what they feel, is now approaching a breaking point. It is no longer possible for them to continue pretending that nothing has changed, that this love can be contained. Every interaction you have had with this person, however simple it may have been, has left deep marks. The angels show that this person reflects on every moment they have been close to you, the conversations, the gazes, even the silences you shared. There is an energy that flows between you, something this person cannot fully explain but feels intensely. As if there were an invisible magnetism pulling them towards you, even when they try to resist. It is important that you understand that this resistance does not mean a lack of feelings. On the contrary, the angels reveal that the fear of opening up and showing all the vulnerability they carry is what has kept this person distant. They fear the changes that this love could bring to their life. They fear getting hurt or hurting you. But at the same time, they can no longer ignore what they feel. The angels say that, just as the moon needs to shine in the darkness, this love needs to be revealed so that both can understand what is really happening between you. This is a crucial moment, and the angels are preparing this person's heart for a profound transformation. She has been thinking of you in a way she never did before. What started as a discreet admiration has now turned into something much more powerful, something she can no longer contain. The angels say she is getting closer to making a move, to deciding to expose her feelings. However, they also warn that this person is still in the process of healing, dealing with her own fears and insecurities, making this journey delicate. You may have already noticed some changes in this person's behavior, gestures that didn't exist before, longer gazes, maybe even unexpected closeness. These are signs that the transformation is underway, that the love she has kept silent for so long is beginning to manifest more clearly. But the angels ask you to be patient. This is a moment of great vulnerability for her, and forcing any situation now could create barriers instead of bridges. The angels are working behind the scenes, dissolving the blocks that have prevented this person from fully opening up to you. They are creating the necessary conditions for this love to flourish in a healthy way, without fears or reservations. This is a process that involves time and healing, both for her and for you. The angels see that you also carry your own wounds, perhaps from past relationships or experiences of rejection, and they are by your side to guide and protect you during this period of transition. What is to come will not be easy, but it will be profoundly transformative. The person who holds this love in silence is at a turning point in their life, and this change has been catalyzed by you. The angels show that, in a way, you have awakened a part of this person that was asleep, a side of them that had long not experienced what it is to love deeply. And now, there is no turning back. At this moment, the angels ask you to prepare yourself. Prepare your heart, your mind, and your spirit, for what lies ahead will be a revelation that can transform the way you see this person and how you understand love. They want you to continue to be guided by love, compassion, and patience. This is a spiritual journey, a connection that goes beyond the physical, beyond the emotional, touching the depths of the soul. As the angels continue to guide this journey, it is essential that you understand the depth of what is happening. The internal battle this person faces is not just about the fear of exposing their feelings, but also about confronting parts of themselves they have tried to avoid for a long time. Loving you means, for this person, facing their deepest fears, the fear of losing control, the fear of rejection, and above all, the fear of not being enough. The angels show that, for years, this person has built armor around their heart, a protection that kept them safe, away from any emotional pain. However, this armor also prevented them from feeling true love, from fully surrendering. But you, dear soul, with your light, with your authentic way of being, were able to break through this barrier. And now, this person is in a place of deep vulnerability, where all their defenses are starting to crumble. This vulnerability can be frightening. It can make you hesitate, retreat, or even appear confused in your feelings. But the angels assure that this is a necessary step for the emotional awakening that is taking place. This person is finally beginning to see you as you really are, not just as a friend, an acquaintance, or someone who crossed your path by chance, but as someone who was sent into your life for a divine purpose. The angels want you to know that this person is deeply affected by your presence. Even if they have not expressed it openly, there is an internal recognition that your connection is something much greater than they imagined. They feel that, in some way, you complete them, that there is a harmony between you that transcends words. And now, this feeling is growing, taking over their thoughts, their emotions, and leading them to a point where it will be impossible to continue ignoring what is happening. However, the angels also warn that this is a delicate moment. Forcing this person to make a decision now may result in a setback. They are still processing many emotions, still learning to deal with the idea that this love can be real, that it can be lived without fear. The angels say it is essential that you remain patient and continue to radiate the light that has already illuminated this person's life. The coming weeks will be decisive. The angels are preparing the ground for this person to finally open up, for them to have the courage to expose all they feel for you. But this is a process that requires care. Their heart is still fragile, and it takes time for all the pieces to fit together. What you can do at this moment is to continue to be a source of support, of affection, without pressuring or demanding immediate answers. The angels also want you to remember to take care of yourself during this journey. Sometimes, in the desire to help others, we forget to look at our own needs, our own desires. They ask you to take some time to connect with your own essence, to listen to the voice of your own heart. This is a shared journey, and for both of you to move forward together, you both need to be in harmony with your own souls. The love that this person feels for you is real. The angels show that within their heart, they have already made the decision to follow this feeling. Now it's just a matter of time until they can fully express themselves, without fears, without reservations. And when that moment comes, it will be like a wave of relief, as if a huge weight has been lifted off your shoulders. You will be ready to move forward together, in a way that neither of you could have predicted. This is a love that transcends the ordinary. It carries within it the divine touch of the angels, who have guided each of the steps you have taken so far. And now, as you approach this moment of revelation, the angels ask you to trust. Trust the process, trust the divine timing, and trust in the transformative power of love. Now you are on the verge of a significant change, not only in your life but also in the life of this person who, silently, has carried this deep love. The angels show that when this revelation finally happens, many of the doubts and uncertainties that have been looming over you will disappear like mist under the sun. The truth will be clear, and with it, a new path of love and connection will unfold. This person, for so long torn between fear and desire, is about to take a bold step towards you. The angels say that this decision was not taken lightly. On the contrary, it has been built gradually, with each interaction you've had, with each shared moment, until it finally became impossible for them to continue hiding what they feel. And now, the universe is creating the perfect conditions for this love to bloom. The angels also show that the journey you are about to embark on together will not be without challenges. Although the love that this person feels for you is genuine, there are still fears to overcome, both from them and from you. The angels ask you to be kind to yourself and to this person, as both are going through a process of emotional and spiritual growth. True love, the one guided by the hands of angels, does not come without its own tests and trials. But the reward is incomparable. You will be called to be a pillar of strength, not only for this person but also for yourself. The angels show that your love has the potential to heal deep wounds, to illuminate the darkest corners of your souls. However, This healing will only happen if both of you are willing to open up completely, to trust each other and the divine process that has brought you here. This is the moment to leave behind the old pains, the fears that kept you apart, and to surrender to what the angels have prepared for you. This person, despite taking a long time to reach this point of revelation, is now ready to open up, to share everything they have kept hidden. They will see in you not only a love but a spiritual partnership, someone with whom they can grow, evolve, and build a future based on trust and mutual understanding. And when this moment of surrender happens, you will realize that every challenge, every doubt you faced, was worth it. The angels want you to know that this is just the beginning. The love about to manifest between you is just a part of a much larger journey, a journey that was written in the stars long before you met in this life. This connection you share is ancestral, it goes beyond time and space, and now you have the opportunity to experience it fully and consciously. And as you prepare to receive this revelation, the angels ask you to trust. Trust the process, trust divine timing, and trust the love you both share. Even though the path here has been filled with uncertainties, everything has been unfolding exactly as it should. Every step you've taken, every decision made, has brought you to this moment of clarity and truth. When this person finally reveals what they feel, when they open up to you, it will be as if the universe is celebrating alongside you. The angels will be by both of your sides, guiding every word, every gesture, so that this love can blossom in the purest and truest way. And then you'll be ready to embark on a new phase together, a phase marked by love, understanding, and mutual growth. At this moment, the angels want you to feel at peace, knowing that everything is unfolding according to the divine plan. You are not alone, you never have been. The angels have always been by your side, guiding each of your steps, preparing your heart for this moment. Now it is up to you to open your heart and be ready to receive all that the universe has in store for you. Believe, dear soul, the love that is coming will be greater than you ever imagined. And this love, guided by the angels, will take you to heights you never thought possible to reach. Allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel them resonate deeply within you. The universe wishes the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what your choice may be. Type, I absorb, receive, and accept my destiny and all that the universe has to offer me. To claim this message and the blessings contained in it for yourself, leave a positive comment for other viewers who may need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness. Let us lift each other up and create waves of good energy together. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe now and stay tuned for the important message awaiting you in the next video. May God and the universe light your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.